Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run PHP program in Visual Studio Code in a very simple way. For that, first we need to go for our Google Chrome browser, and here we need to search for PHP. Click enter. After that, here you can see here is a PHP website, and we're going to click on downloads. So after that, here you will get the downloads and installation instruction. So from here we need to select the current stable PHP 8.4.8 version, and here you will get the option called Windows Downloads. Click on that, and then here we'll get two version called VS17 64-bit non-thread safe and thread safe. So we're going to download the thread safe with the zip folder. Click on that, and after here you can see there is a download option. So click on the download. It's about 32.4 MB. It will take 30 seconds to complete. After completing that, we will going to click on the folder icon, and here is our zip folder, and we're going to extract all. Click on the extract all. We extract, and after all the file has been extracted, so we're going to rename it by deleting, and now we're going to remain the name as PHP-8.4.8. So now we're going to cut this. I'm going to paste it to the local C drive, and then we're going to click on that and going to copy the file location, and then we're going to go for the environment variables. Click on the environment variables. Going to minimize all the background app, and here we are in system properties, and from here we're going to click on environment variables. Into the environment variables, we're going to look for the system variables. Here is a path, so we're going to click on the path and going to click edit and click on new and paste the file location of PHP 8.4.8. Click OK. Everything is set, and now we're going to check that we rightly install the PHP or not. For that, we need to come over into the search option. I'm going to search for CMD. Click on run as administrator, and from here I'm going to type here PHP space -- call version. Click enter, and as you can see here is showing PHP 8.4.8. So this is how we can make sure we rightly install PHP in our computer. After, we're going to close everything and look for download Visual Studio Code from our Google Chrome. So for that, we're going to create a new tab and type here Visual Studio Code. Click on that, and then here will be a website from the Visual Studio Code. We're going to click on that, and here is the download option for Visual Studio Code. Just simply click on the download, and the download will be started. So I already downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code in my computer. Here is, you can see. So we're going to rightly open this, and then we're going to look for file. We'll go for open folder, and we're going to create a new folder and going to name it as PhD. Select the folder, and it will open the PHP folder. So we're going to come for the PHP, create a new file, and the file name should be admin.php. That's it. We're going to click on enter, and right now, as you can see, we rightly open the PHP folder, and we will now going to start a hello world program to showing you it works properly. Before that, we need to download some extension to run PHP perfectly. So for that, we're going to go for the extension section and going to first search for PHP. And here we're going to find the PHP over here. Click on that. So first we need to download the PHP debug. So for that, we're going to select the PHP debug and going to click on install. And that's it. And after, we're going to need to download the PHP intelligence For that, we need to click on the PHP interference and going to click on install. After installing these two, we're going to click on the movement. That's it. And now we're going to look for the PHP code. So here we're going to type angular brackets, question mark, and then we're going to type here PHP, and then we're going to type here echo to give her a colon, and here we're going to type here hello world, the colon, and then after we're going to type here and going to give the angular bracket, and that's it. We're going to save everything. So after completing that, as you can see, rightly write the code and we run it, and then as you can see, the hello world is rightly showing into our Visual Studio Code. So this is how we can download and install PHP in Visual Studio Code in a very simple way, and this is how we can run. And also we created a hello world program to show you it works properly. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.